Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a deposit pending on Coinbase in 2026. Are you seeing a deposit pending on Coinbase error? Here's what's happening and how to handle this. As you can see in my screen, this is an example of a deposit pending. It says here that you received a number of money or an amount of money, and in the status of the deposit, it says pending for 2 days ago. It's the time lapse, as you can see here, the 2 days ago. So if you're encountering this problem, the first step you want to do is to identify the deposit types. Now, bank deposits usually take a few business days to settle, while crypto deposits depend on the blockchain confirmation. So identify the deposit type and check the confirmation. You can tap the deposit in the transaction history to see how many confirmation it has on crypto only. You can also verify the bank processing time. If it's a bank transfer, your bank may still be processing it. So wait for a period. Then if it's still not showing, you can avoid also rechecking and verify the bank with the bank. Also avoid resending funds. Do not send another deposit while one is pending. This can cause confusion. And if nothing works and if it remains pending beyond the normal time frame, you're going to try to contact the Coinbase support. You can do that by going to your account, and then you're going to make sure to sign into your account, and you're going to go to the support where you can contact the Coinbase support and tell them about this issue. Now, network congestion during high market activity can slow crypto deposits. And that's it. That's how you fix the deposit pending on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.